Hold on to your hearts, folks. Baby elephants have a trunk-sucking habit that's cuter than you can imagine. Just like human babies suck their thumbs, baby elephants suck their trunks for comfort when they feel nervous or uncertain. It's their way of saying, "Hey world, I'm figuring you out, but that's not all." These little giants also use their trunks to mimic adult elephants. They try to pick up food, spray water, and do all sorts of elephanty things. Though let's be honest, they're often hilariously uncoordinated at first. Over time, as they grow and develop muscle control, they become trunk maestros. Drinking, eating, and even socializing, it's all done with that incredible trunk. So next time you see a baby elephant sucking its trunk, just remember it's their way of exploring and learning about this big, wild world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more adorable animal facts.